What's up guys, it's your boy Shreyas back with another video, and in this video we're gonna be doing something so different and so out of the box. It's gonna poof your pants off. Wait, poo what? What's up guys, it's me again, and today is like the day that you guys have been waiting long enough for. The most awaited, most wanted, most hyped, most anticipated, most needed, most requested, most thingamagically whatever you can insert over here. Arrival of the legendary royal sequel, the most needed video. And this is the arrival of the royal sequel for my most beloved video, which was also very shamefully hurting to me personally. So today is the arrival of Simply Recipe Bread Cheese Burst 2.0. Yes, it's the Legend's arrival. Also brought to you by the legendary butter in town. This video is sponsored by butter. Get it? Butter. Anyways, we can already see that they're a very cool company as they decided to work with the coolest kid on YouTube, as well as the fact that they decided to sponsor this very high production YouTube video. Thanks boss, I love your money. No, I meant I love you guys. And also the fact that they have the smoothest, tastiest, and smelliest butter in town. Use offer code NERDTRADE to get 0.08% off every time you buy a butter. Now, let's roll in the intro. No wait, not that one. The cool one. Cheeseburst isn't some chump-rated third-class recipe that you can find anywhere on YouTube. Ew, peasants. It has class, it has style, and it has some very creative inputs into it. Brought to you by the coolest kid on YouTube. So, the classy ingredients for such a grand and legendary recipe are some generic brand of bread and cheese, cause I don't give free advertising for peasant companies that can't afford to pay me. DM for paid promotions only. And of course, the main ingredient for this cool and swag-centric recipe is holistic butter, which by the way, they did sponsor me. Did I mention that? I just don't feel that I actually mentioned that this video was sponsored by butter. So, just so you guys know, butter has always been the coolest butter company the coolest company ever to actually sponsor me. So thank you guys so much. So once again, let's take that bread and slap that down on the table, and let's spread some delicious butter. Slam that cheese down. Shove it inside the microwave, and let's wait for it to microwave. And while the microwave, just notice that you've actually subscribed, and also you get to like, comment, and subscribe again to the thing, just so that I can feel like I got a lot more subscribers, and to not make me lonely. And also the fact that you can click the link down below. Butter, which is the coolest company in the can, and whatever butter you're using right now, stop using that, throw that in the dustbin, run out to the shops and buy new butter. Now it's done microwaving, let's take that out. But if you thought you already know what comes after this, mostly because you've already seen the first part, boy are you so wrong, because this is Bread Cheese Burst 2.0 and we don't do things the same way over here. So yes, we will be putting more of the generic cheese and tons of our special butter again, thanks for sponsoring, but we will make some highly tasteful modifications like adding soy sauce, chili sauce, mayo, coriander, herbs, salt, sugar, pepper, and whatever leftovers you had from last night when you were drunk, and not just to ruin our legendary cheese burst, but also to ruin your already terrible appetite. Thank me later. Now, let's crumble it up and shove it back into the microwave, cause who cares if it actually bursts or not, and I'm too lazy to care about it. Got those cool vibes going on here. Pasta, lasagna, cheap pizza, whatever you have, drop that down. This is the next big thing. Red Cheeseburger 2.0 Ultimate. That one, it might be like the 1.0, but this is its successor. This is the best thing. Trust me, I've tried it. It's so addictive. It's so tasty. So thank you guys for ruining your appetite for me. And in the next video, I'll show you how to damage your liver with one easy step. Tastes like. Until then, this is yours truly, Shreyas, the coolest YouTuber ever. Nobody is cooler than me because I made the legendary bread cheeseburgers.